Hi guys, I'm Nikhil Chawla from the Unbiased blog, and today we're going to talk about TVs. Now everybody wants a big, huge TV. Somebody wants 65 inches, some want 50 inches or at least 42 inches. But not everybody has the space or resources to get such huge TVs. Now for those people who are not willing to buy a big TV like 42 inches, 50 inches, 65 inches, I have a perfect solution for you guys. This is the iFFALCON 32 inches Android TV, a smart TV which is 32 inches, fits in your budget, fits in the space you have at your place. So let's go ahead and check it out.
iFFALCON 32F2A HD Ready TV comes with HDR10 for you to enjoy watching your favorite movies in stunning detail. With an accurate reproduction of light and dark shades, letting you view your next level HDR content from all sources. For a smooth performance, the TV comes with a quad-core CPU and a dual-core GPU with 1GB of RAM and 8GB of storage. This makes for easy multitasking and reduced non-responsive situations. In the box you get the 32 inches iFFALCON TV, desk stand, wall mount with attachments, AV cable, 2 remote controls with batteries and the usual documentation. iFFALCON 32F2A has functionality and aesthetics elegantly combined. The narrow frame and ultra-slim body gives full space to the image and blends perfectly into your vision. The decorative lines add a hint of beauty to the TV, showing fine art of the iFFALCON TV. Talking about the ports, you get 2 HDMI ports, USB ports, an Ethernet port, a 3.5mm headphone port, an audio port, SPDIF port and an antenna port. You can either mount the TV on the wall or put it on a table using the included stands in the box. Both these options are simple and you can install the TV on your own with the help of a screwdriver. With Android 8.0 and Google Assistant built in, iFFALCON 32FA offers AI solution for your smart home. You can easily access entertainment, get answers and control other home devices just with your voice. With Android 8.0 Oreo, users can enjoy endless and extensive movies, games, music, shows and apps with full range of Google services. And with the official Google Play stores, users get all the top entertainment apps like Netflix, YouTube, Hotstar, Voot, YupTV, Eros Now and many more. By using voice search, you don't have to look through the complicated navigation bar or do any tiresome typing. You can easily get what you like by asking iFFALCON voice remote. And thanks to Google Chromecast built-in, it makes casting your favorite videos, games, apps for your mobile and tablet device on TV very simple. Talking about the picture and sound quality, the iFFALCON 32FA comes with IPP engine, micro dimming, sports mode for image enhancement, and Dolby Audio, smart volume and built-in stereo speakers designed exclusively for Indian market that creates a wider and louder range to deliver immersive surround sound using Dolby decoder technology, boosting TV's sound quality. So that was our first look at the iFFALCON 32F2A Smart Android TV. Do hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends and family if you enjoyed watching the video.